Status and CIS protection needn't be scary. Many industries utilise self-employed workers. For these businesses, employment status tax issues can be a bit of a minefield. Everyone knows what a self-employed person looks like, don't they? Here's Steve. You don't pay him a pension, holiday pay or other employment benefits. So he must be self-employed, right? No, not necessarily. Steve also does work for another company, so he can't be your employee. No, it is quite possible to have two jobs. Lots of people do. Steve submits an invoice every month as opposed to being paid a salary, so that definitely makes him self-employed, doesn't it? Nope, it still does not mean he's self-employed. But he's registered for the CIS and even has his own van. The answer is still no. So, to determine whether HMRC would treat Steve as an employee, you would need to apply these three tests. Personal service exists if you're saying you want Steve to do the work and you wouldn't accept a substitute in his place. You prioritise how Steve does his work and set specific tasks. If so, Steve is being controlled like an employee would be. It is expected that you will offer work to Steve and Steve will always accept it. Well, that would tick all the employment boxes. Sorry, Steve, but if all these boxes were ticked, then despite having two jobs, the van, the CIS registration and the invoicing, this role would look like employment. But it was never yours or Steve's intention for there to be an employment relationship. There's another dimension to this. Status. It's about more than ticking boxes. There are working practices to be considered and contracts to review in order for your procedures to stand up to HMRC scrutiny. Every self-employed worker or contractor will potentially be doing different jobs. There's no one-size-fits-all. Leave it to the account tax team at Abbey Tax. Our ex-HMRC investigators, employment specialists and accountants have over 100 years of hands-on tax experience. They'll work seamlessly together to create bespoke contracts for your business, audit your procedures and working practices, provide you with insurance to protect you from HMRC inquiries, and even pay your NIC if HMRC do reclassify your workers. Through our unique product, Agency Protect, we can fight your corner if you are a business that operates in the supply of workers in the temporary self-employed market. We'll ensure your contracts are in line with current tax legislation and protect you from HMRC investigation. Review your book of operatives to identify those who could be treated as self-employed. In the event of an HMRC challenge, we will insure your NIC, PAYE and legal defence costs. Ensure that your preferred supplier list of intermediary partners is compliant. Protect you in the event of an HMRC inspection into Section 44. We can also provide these services to safeguard your clients' businesses. Supreme protection for umbrella companies. The full protection package for the construction industry. A comprehensive review of your IR35 status and tax loss insurance. To find out how account tax can safeguard your clients' businesses, call 0345 0660 035.